And good evening, Brady Johnson. Are you ready for this severely important world record attempt?
I am.
Can you explain the record attempt, please?
I can.
Go on then. You're about to soak up your own hair to put in a ponytail. Is this correct?
It is.
Is this the first time you have done this?
No.
Well, you should have said yes.
Okay. Yes.
So carry on with the task ahead.
As you can see, we have a boy with many hair. And over here we have Exhibit A, which is a Hoover. Are you ready, Brady?
Yes, I am.
Kan ni go dyan, yeah?
The record attempt has failed!
It's so close!